sabotage. You know you break my heart when you sabotage. You're tearing me apart. I feel the urgency with each emergency, but we don't stand a chance when you sabotage. If only I had seen where this was leading so much, I wish I'd known. By now it's far too late to stem the bleeding, I can feel it in my bone. You take my breath away, we can't communicate, then it's lights out. I'm about to melt down, so I close my eyes and pray. When you sabotage, you know you break my heart. When you sabotage, you're tearing me apart. I feel the urgency with each emergency, but we don't stand a chance when you sabotage.
Who's imposter? It's me, Foozly. Chopping up the humans like an E.T. Bruce Lee. Calm and collected, but a little unstable. Tracking you all down on the admin table. What's the fuss? I'm barely sus. Plus, who among the crew among us can you trust? Gonna find a third imposter, wait and see. Getting crewmates out to vote just like I'm AOC. And why you think I